welcome to Top Tech Stories this week, and of course with me in the house as always is Jimmy. Jimmy.
Hi Jerry, I'm so excited to be doing this once again today. Let's get to it.
Alright, so Huawei starts 6G research at its Canada lab.
Wow, this is very impressive. We might only just be seeing the arrival of 5G devices, but Huawei has started research on the 6th generation of mobile networks in Ottawa, Canada.
Okay, so the Chinese tech giant is reportedly working with over 13 universities and research institutes on this project.
Yeah, despite developing 6G in Canada, the country is one of several still to decide if it will allow Huawei to use this technology in the nation's 5G.
Don't you think that's shocking?
Well,
that a company in a country where 5G has not even been decided to be adopted is already doing 6G research.
But the advantage of this will be that they will be the first place where this 6G is tested and maybe possibly where to be launched. Another major news this week has it that Amazon will start donating unsold warehouse goods instead of destroying them. Jerry, tell us about this.
Amazon has announced that unsold or unwanted products from third-party sellers will no longer simply be destroyed. Instead, the company has announced a new program that will see that these goods are donated to non-profits in the US through a service known as Good 360.
You know, prior to now, I never knew what companies like Amazon do to goods that are unsold.
Obviously, so you know now that they get destroyed.
Yeah, so they said in addition to helping those in need, the program will cut down on waste production by reducing the number of items sent to landfill sites.
I think this is very good.
Yeah, this is a good one. At least it's helping people who actually need this.
Yeah. Hundreds of thousands of people are already using passwords that have already been hacked, and Google says that.
Well, the new password check Chrome extension found 1.5% of all website logins, and they say they use compromised credentials.
A new Google study this week confirmed the obvious, and the obvious is that internet users need to stop using the same password for multiple websites unless they are keen on having their data hijacked, their identity stolen, or even a worse scenario happening.
But well, we know that it's easier to use one password across all sites.
Right?
You know, it's convenient. But then, for the security reason, this extension warns you that anytime you log into a website using one of over 4 billion publicly accessed username and password that has been previously exposed by a major hack or breach, it prompts you to change your password.
How do you think Google knows that?
Well, Google also claims that they never learn your username or password, but then they know that this password have already been compromised.
So they are working with some cryptography expert at Stanford University to ensure this, but then we are not still sure that they never learn our username and passwords.
You know, I keep saying this, and I also say it again today. I trust Google, and I don't just know why I trust them, and I believe that
whatever they say is true.
And if they say they never learn of my password
then
and my
they
username,
never learn.
then they never learn until they prove us otherwise. So that concludes the top tech stories for this week. So don't forget to
like, share, and subscribe.
Guys, now I beg we dey beg.
I beg, no, not subscribe. I beg, subscribe
and help our ministry.